everyone, my name is Afifah Salsabila from Indonesia. I am UPG Sustainability Leader 2024. I am committed to SDGs number 3, good health and well-being, and also SDGs number 4, quality of education. I believe education has the power to everlasting change in healthcare. I have 2 projects. The first one is Nurse Step by Step. It's a platform for nursing students to improve the soft skill and share information. And the second one is Tunatric. It's a prototype for easy sport to hypertension patients that already tried for 30 elderly in my city. I cannot wait to meet other leaders in Hurricane Island to share and connect about our goals. So don't forget to vote for me in this campaign. Thank you, terima kasih, matur nuwun.